Hey there, fellow money warriors. Welcome back to Financial Fuel, where we're all about helping you take control of your money. In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate money management tool, the budget. I know. Talking about budgets isn't as exciting as the latest Netflix series or that shopping spree you've been eyeing. But trust me, this is where true financial freedom begins. Step 1. Track your spending. Face the hard truth. All right, let's start with the cold, hard truth. If you ever find yourself wondering where all your money disappeared to, it's time to track your spending. Take a week or a month to jot down every rupee you spend. Yes, even that quick chai or the late night food delivery splurges. It's time to shine a light on those sneaky expenses and figure out where your money is really going. Trust me, this is the wake-up call you need to take control of your finances. Now that we've faced the reality of our spending habits, it's time to sort everything into categories. Let's break it down into the 3 F's. Fixed expenses, think rent and bills. Flexible expenses, like groceries and transportation. And fun expenses, the stuff that makes life enjoyable, like eating out and entertainment. Step 3. Set realistic goals. Creating a budget isn't about restricting yourself from all the things you enjoy. It's about making a plan to achieve your financial goals while still living your life. Want to save up for that dream vacation? Or snag those trendy sneakers? Let's make it happen. The key is to give every rupee a purpose. Step 4. The 50-30-20 rule, or customize it. Let's talk numbers. A classic rule of thumb to get started is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes towards needs, like rent and groceries. 30% goes towards wants, such as dining out or that new gadget. And 20% goes straight into savings and investments. Of course, feel free to adapt this to fit your own goals and lifestyle. Step 5. Automate your savings. We all know how tempting it can be to splurge on that 50% off sale or the latest tech gadget. That's why automation is your best friend. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account or investments as soon as your paycheck hits your account. This way you won't even miss that money, and your future self will thank you for it. Step 6. Review and adjust. Party. But not least, a budget isn't a set it and forget it deal. Life changes, and so do your financial needs and goals. Check in with your budget every month to see what's working and what's not. Don't be afraid to make adjustments to better align your budget with your current reality. You've got this, and there you have it, fellow money warriors, your guide to creating a budget that actually works for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to level up your financial game. See you in the next video.